start your video. Great. I can see some lovely faces across the screen. So welcome ladies, welcome to Forever Star India's official talent round 3, your ramp walk round, your final destination before you are chosen as a city finalist. And this one represents your journey so far, your final input into the whole process of becoming and finishing your dream to become the Miss or Mrs. India 2021. So are we all set? Can I get a thumbs up from everyone? From all the participants? Yeah, great. Thank you so much. So now I would, request the jury members to switch on their cameras so that, we can have the final lovely jury panel on board. Great. We have our 3 lovely ladies across the screen smiling. And first, of course, is Miss Kirti Chaudhary, who is the project director, who has been consistent enough to see you guys grow and is here, I'm sure, to see you accomplish this one. And second, we have Shailja Suri, who is an official professional pageant groomer with an extraordinary experience of her own. And last but not the least, we have our lovely Anamika Yaduvanshi, who is a motivational speaker. And of course, her smile is, enough to say about her. So let's get started. Jury members, shall I begin?
Yes, please.
Please give me a nod. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I would just, initiate with the sequence so that you guys know when is your turn up. So we'll start with Priyanka Gautam. Then we have Gundeep, Shubhra, Surachi, and Ashra. Jury members, please note there are 2 Priyankas in the Excel sheet. This one is Priyanka E. So I'd request Priyanka Gautam to switch on her video. Hi Priyanka, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I'll go back and then I'll start my music.
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
So please make sure that you're properly visible.
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Harry, ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay, so I guess Harry is facing some network problems right now. So let's just wait for 1 minute, Priyanka. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I do again or it has been marked?
No, your talent round is done, Priyanka. You can, sit back now comfortably. Yeah, we'll start with the next contestant.
I am so sorry. I am facing some major technical glitch, so please just bear with me for today. And moving forward, we have Gundeep. Hi, Gundeep.
Hello, hello, Harry.
Are we ready?
Yes, just give me a minute so that I can switch on my music. Okay, I'm starting.
Sure.
It's done.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank
Gundeep.
you.
Thank you. Moving forward, we have Shubhra next. Hi, Shubhra.
Hello, Harry.
Hi, are we ready?
Yeah, I'm just going back and then we'll start.
Sure. Shubhra, your music is not audible.
I'm done. I'm done.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Shubhra. Thank you. Just to inform you, your music was not audible.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So moving forward, we have Suratji. Hi, Suratji.
Hi, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. I'll go and
Okay. Yeah. Shubhra, please mute yourself.
Okay, yes.
Thank you, Surati. Thank you so much. Also, this is for everybody to note. Please make sure that the music is audible, because eventually, if you will not keep it near the device where we are going to hear it, it's not going to be audible. So, Surati, even your music was not audible to us, unfortunately, because you had kept it on the other side of the room. So that's not going to work. So moving forward, let's hear it from Ashra. Hi, Ashra. Post Ashra, the sequence would be Sharon, Ayushi, Prathima, and Dipti. Ashra, are we ready?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Let's start.
Yeah, one second. Is my audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
One second. पापा बैठ जाओ ना, अभी वीडियो में आ रहा हूँ, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है बाद में। I'll go back.
Thank you, Ashra. Thank you. Jury members, Ashra was 30 seconds past her scheduled time. Also, yes, Anamika.
Yeah, Harry, I have a small request. Is it possible, whoever is performing, can we pin that screen so that everybody is able to see that screen in a bigger way, so that jiska bhi next turn ho, they would notice it ki kya isme missing hai, what is it that they need to keep in mind, shoes visible hai, kya distance aa raha hai. So, if the screen size is big enough, if it is in the center, for everybody, maybe others can take a note of it, perhaps.
Anamika, it's an option there for everyone, speaker view. It's there.
I was trying it. I have done it for myself, but I think that if everybody ke liye agar aap kar doge for everyone, so other contestants will be able to make a note of it, because the same jo mistakes hain, they're getting somehow repeated, if possible, my
Okay.
suggestion.
That could be requested to everyone, but since most of them are logging in from phone, I think unka to by default ही speaker view
And
hai.
screens also keep shifting, वो सब on off बीच में करते रहते हैं, तो वो थोड़ा focus भी out हो जाता है. I'm so sorry I'm interrupting in between, but I thought let me just give a note of it.
Sure. I think, this could be done for everybody who is coming up next, that, you could pin the speaker view, because it makes it easier for you to understand what are the perks and the cons of it. So yeah, thank you so much, Anamika.
Thank you.
Yes, Ashra.
Ma'am, I wanted to say that we were given 120 seconds in that pamphlet. So I had used the audio of 120 seconds only.
But usse pehle, if you are taking time to set it up, that also comes in between. Your preparation also counts, right?
Acha, that was included?
Yes, my dear. That's why, that's how virtual trainings work and competition works.
मेरे को लगा कि ऑडियो तो मैंने 120 का ही रखा था, तो कैसे ये हो गया? Okay, no problem.
That's okay. So thank you, Ashna. Thank you so much. So moving forward, let's have Sharon on the screen. Hi, Sharon. Please unmute yourself. Also,
Hello,
this is a request to everyone. Please take care of your mics while somebody is performing. It automatically switches the screen, because even if it's on speaker view. So Sharon, are we ready?
Just a minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sharon. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Moving forward, we have Ayushi. Hi, Ayushi. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you. So moving forward, we have Deepti, and post Deepti, the sequence would be Deepmala, Shakiba, Jharna, Riya, and Ritu. Hi, Deepti. दीप्ति अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए। Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Vedic Image.
Thank you, Deepti. Thank you so much. I missed out Prathima's name. Hi, Prathima. Can we please hear from you? Prathima Rachel, क्या आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकती हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Prathima, if it's going to take time, I can switch to some other participant as of now.
No, my audio was not working, ma'am. Just now it's working, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I start?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Prathima. Thank you. Next, we have Deepmala. Hi, Deepmala.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, are we ready?
डिवाइस कनेक्ट हो रहा है जिससे मुझे अपना रैंप वॉक दिखाना है.
Okay, Deepmala, I can try putting you in the end slot. You can let me know if that is ready. Otherwise, maybe you'll have to figure something out. Or get
अगर हो
activated.
जाता है तो फिर दिक्कत दूंगी. इसमें अगर हो तो मैं आपको इन्फॉर्म करती हूँ. अगर नहीं हो पाता है तो फिर नेक्स्ट स्लॉट में मुझे कर दीजिएगा मैम.
Okay, okay. All right, Deepmala. So next we'll have Shakiba. Hi, Shakiba. Deepmala, please अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए.
Just a minute.
ठीक है.
Correct. Thank you.
Thank you, Shakiba. Thank you so much. Next, we have Jharna with the name Priyanjani on the screen. Hi, Jharna. Can you please turn on your video and audio? Yeah, please अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए. Jury members, please note her screen name here is Priyanjani, but she will be present on the Excel sheet with the name Jharna. So,
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So next we have Ria Ronal. Hi, Ria.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Jury members, her screen name here is Divya Jeet, but she is Ria Ronal. So Ria, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Ria. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And we have Ritu Joshi for the last. Hi, Ritu. Please अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए.
Yeah, Harry, ma'am. Actually, I'm just playing the audio. Please let me know whether it is audible or not before I start, ma'am. Okay?
Sure.
Is it fine, ma'am? It's coming.
Yes, it's fine.
Just give me a
Jharna,
moment.
could you please mute yourself?
Just give me a moment, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I think Deepmala has yet not connected with the other device. So Deepmala, I suggest you to get in touch with the team and get yourself allocated to a later round. So this brings us to the end. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much for putting up such a beautiful show and a glamorous one indeed. And now I'd request our lovely ladies on the jury to, take on one by one with their, parting words. Over to you, Kirti ma'am. I'd request you to start.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harry, for allowing me. And thank you, each one of you. Congratulations. Yeah. You've very successfully appeared for your talent round 3. And I can, see that confidence in you day by day. I've seen you appearing for the auditions, talent round 1, talent round 2. And looking at you all today, it just makes me so, so happy. I cannot tell you. All of you are looking ravishing. That was, something I have been, trying to say the first thing. All of you are looking extremely pretty. You have dressed yourselves up really well. Your makeup is really good. Your jewelry is looking amazing. But, most of all, the confidence that you're wearing today, the confidence with which you were walking today was amazing. All of us could feel that. I'm sure the other jury members also agree to me, and you also agree to it, that the way you were walking, it was just a flow that was coming. ऐसा नहीं था कि you had to make an effort कि मुझे ऐसे चलना है. Most of you were walking in that flow, and you were kind of enjoying your ramp walk. So I personally love that. Of course, about the technicalities, Shelza is going to, talk about it in detail. But what I felt was there was an extremely positive vibe today. And, when each one of you was walking, I was actually going somewhere to the future. I was thinking about the grand finale, that most of you are totally going to be there, at least as the city winners and state winners, of course, and you are going to walk down that ramp in those ravishing couture gowns with this amazing poise. Yeah. So all the best from my side. I'm totally hoping to see all of you as the finalists of Forever Miss and Mrs. India 2021. All the best once again.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. Also, I think Afia is left. She joined late, so I couldn't note her name. So Afia, if you could begin. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Afia. Thank you. So now I'd request our OG expert of the day, Shelza Shuri, to take over.
Thanks, Sitan. Thank you so much, Kirti and Harry, once again for honoring.
तुमने late join किया था ना?
Am I audible? Kirti, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, Shelza, you are audible.
Thank you so much once again for having invited me yet again to this beautiful ramp walk competition, and I quite loved it. So I saw it yesterday and I saw it today. Certainly what Kirti said is absolutely right. The vibe and the confidence level and the creativity with which the participants have played around with, it could clearly be seen that today it made a huge difference. I'm really happy that all the participants did try their best, and they did put in their best foot forward in terms of practice, rehearsal, giving finishing to their garments, jewelry, and of course, some of you did phenomenal makeup today. And the best thing that I liked about all of you was that you all came up close to the camera for us to see and appreciate the makeup, the efforts that you have done. And some of you did very coordinated makeup, Sadly, I cannot take names since it's a competition, but I'm sure the girls who have done it, they will understand that. And it's a big thumbs up to them, because the nuances of doing a ramp walk perfectly well, your makeup also plays enormous amount of role, because your expressions and attitude, they get enhanced when you do the right kind of makeup. Sometimes not doing anything at all is also the perfect makeup. So when you're on screen and when you're trying to make your visibility seen against the participants with whom you are being pitched, sometimes going minimalistic is the best makeup to follow. So I quite loved it, and most of you were very good in terms of your practice, in terms of ramp walk, head out. You've done a very good breakthrough in the ramp. Like, you started with the head ramp, went on to the mid ramp, and then in the front ramp, you gave 3 poses. It is precisely so. Maybe some of you are already taking trainings. I could clearly gauge that in some of you, because the creativity with which you have played around, I'm sure it seemed pretty guided to me. So very good work. Pat on your back, all you girls. You all were very close to one another. I don't think there's a margin, as far as I'm concerned, beyond 0.5 between all of you. All of you were very good, and please continue to do the good work in your forthcoming rounds. You are very stiff in competition, all of you. And Kirti, you're very lucky to be having such phenomenal girls as participants. So best wishes, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shelza. Thank you. And now I'd request, Anamika to take over.
Thank you so much, Harry. Thank you, Kirti, for inviting me here so that, I could witness such lovely ladies doing great ramp walk. It was really such a pleasure to watch all of you. And it was really good that all of you were trying to do your best. I know that virtual ramp walk is not easy, and Shelza would agree with me on that. And you really coordinated it very well, and you could make a team from your house. Somebody had someone to hold the camera or to play the music and stuff like that. So you had your team. That was really commendable. Second thing, which I thought is missing here, just a suggestion, because when we are here on a physical event, we can cheer each other up very easily. But here, agar hum baki participants ko, we could just write in the chat, wow, good job done, so and so. Wow, your dress was nice. Wow, this was nice. So, you get motivated. Otherwise, there's this tension, there's a stress. Oh, next is mine. I have to check my music. Oh my God, I have to do this. Oh my God, somebody would come during my ramp walk. So there is a lot of stress. So if you could cheer each other up, and say, compliment someone for their dress, for their jewelry, for something, genuine compliment, I think it would make a very good atmosphere, and stress would be reduced like that. So it's very important to motivate each other. My suggestion, you may follow it, you may not follow it, but if you do that, you will see that you will not get that stage fear. You will not get that fear that next is mine. Oh my God, I hope that I do well. That motivation will keep you going. And all of you were fabulous, fabulous. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Kirti, for inviting me. Thank you.
Thank you, Anamika. Thank you so much. And now I shall take leave from the jury members. Thank you so much, ladies. It was an absolute honor having you here today. And, we are equally, honored and lucky to have all of you. Thank you so much for being here today. And I shall take your leave.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Kirti.
Just a second, guys. All right, ladies, this brings us to the end of the show. And, I just realized this might be some of, I might be seeing some of you for the last time, because now it brings us closer to the grand finale, closer to the city finalist. And of course, new journey begins from here, a new step we take from here. So thank you so much for, understanding the whole concept, growing so well, making sure that, everything works perfect. I really appreciate each one of your effort. And like the jury members mentioned,